Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in another music production video. I recently boom, I had an idea in my head to just make a song in the tempo of my heartbeat, because why not? So I'm just gonna check what my heart rate tempo is by two ways. I have a watch that tells me these things. So it says 87 right now, so we can 87, or I can just hold my heart and just stop the tempo. Wait, it's 65 now. Oh yeah, it is 65, it changed. Okay, so let it be 65. Okay, that's cool. So 65, it's like 130, right? 130 is pretty cool for a house thing, type of thing, you know? Maybe future bass house. So let's start with the drum loop. It's gonna be available for free pretty soon. Let's just create some melodies first. Da. Do, da, da. Yeah, and it repeats pretty nicely. So we need a bass line. Da, da, da. That is freaking sick. That is flippin' sick. Holy shit. Let's do a crazy Reese bass underneath. So I'm just gonna duplicate that here. Okay, Reese bass, Reese bass. Oh, let's use this really cool wavetable. It has a kick. Ooh. I guess this is the sound I made recently as well. And the white noise, right? Ooh, it is missing some OTT and low cut. Maybe we don't need these notes, right? Let's check out the presets. It can be pretty cool as a tension building single note. Okay, let's do pitch monster. Sounds dope. It needs some pitch bend automation, so it's just kind of goes up and down. That's too much. I think it should go up again. Okay, I think we can make something more heavy, right? This can be like an intro or something, and the drop should be really flipping heavy. Okay, that's gotta be later. We're gonna duplicate this. And okay, so we're gonna need to duplicate this and use a gritty, nasty bass. Of course we need OTT, bro, I forgot about that. Yeah, much better. Can make a sound, right? Filter. more filter movement. Pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, let's try a pre-made basis I made. Hey, that's cool. Okay, that's a pretty cool layer. Let's do another one. Hey, that's a cool layer. Okay, but we need the bass like between, right? Or like some type of fill. Hey, that's cool. Like one. Duplicate this here. Switch to preset. Oh, that's sick. Like this. And maybe a little bit of the swing. Oh, we can do like a tom feel as well here. Hey, that's cool. Okay, we have to... Oh yeah, this sound needs movement. Okay, so we're gonna need to put this here. Also, just quiet this when the kick hits. Okay, we need a different sound here. All of these presets are slow because we are working on 65 BPM. How about this actually here? Oh yeah, it can be totally here. Maybe we can just manipulate it as a little bit. So it sounds just different, but it's the same sound. Okay, so let's do like, so this is gonna be the breakdown, right? Let's just go like that. Let's take this drum. Maybe take like a hardcore one. Oh yeah. So before we finish this, I think we can put like a free clip on the master to make a really cool sausage and kind of glue this together. It's like really temporary mastering. It's not really mastering, it's just limiting. Okay, I'm just EQing this because these are not supposed to, like this one has sub bass. And this one as well. So this is gonna be more like a top layer. I'm gonna actually duplicate that because I want this, I want the volume envelope to be a little bit different. Yeah, duplicate this once again and let's freaking listen to the whole thing. Maybe let's just duplicate this once again too. Oh wait, this is not supposed to have, oh, I just got the low end. And you are supposed to have a low end, yes. Okay, I really have to go. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed it. And mainly, I hope you learned something. That was a pretty fun track making. So have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.